many people are so shocked about this. Many people are shocked that you are incredible at what you do. I feel like there's something that you do that not much people knew about, and you have the capacity to hide your skills and talents until the right time. Don't know what this thing is, but I'm feeling like you sent goosebumps down people's spines when they saw you in action. There was something that you did, and a lot of people were taken aback. A lot of people did believe in you. They do believe in you. They see you as a star, because we have the star card, right? But there was something very shocking that you did in front of many, in front of a group, club, organization. And you have this way whereby you're very humble, peaceful in your own world, but there's something about you that's very sparkly. It transforms. And when it's something about putting on a show. Maybe some of you put something out on social media. Maybe some of you done some type of reveal, maybe you posted a picture of a new outfit, you in a new outfit, your new home, a holiday. There's something that you do, or maybe you launched a podcast, maybe you launched, or maybe for some of you, you've gone viral, right? Maybe for some of you, you met up with a group of friends that you haven't seen in a long time, and they feel like you look absolutely amazing. There's something about your appearance. You've definitely had some type of glow up, or you've achieved some type of success. Something was on public display, like you've achieved something, and a lot of people know about this thing and they're very shocked. There's something about your appearance. It could be a status that you now have. Like, you could be very well in demand. You could be getting sponsorships. You could be very well sought after. And people are shocked because people are used to you being a certain way, or maybe you hid for a certain time, but when you came back out, it shocked everyone about your appearance. Maybe you gained weight. Maybe you lost weight. You showcased some type of ability. You posted a picture. You uploaded something. Maybe you're on social media and your following count is going absolutely haywire. I also feel that many people are shocked that you've turned your back on them. People that thought that you will always be around, but maybe these individuals were making you feel unbalanced. You had a lot of loyalty to some people, but you just felt like they were not abiding by your morals, and you had to take action, so you ended these connections. You felt upset to do so, but you had to do what was right. This could be someone that you saw that was a little bit reckless, but you always made excuses for them. And many people thought to themselves, like, this person's going to do something for you to see what we can all see. And they did. And you went boss mode on them, which shocked them to the core. And I feel like because you had a connection with this person, maybe this person was a friend, they thought that you will always have their back. And you did, to a certain point. And they want to reopen this chapter with you because they feel very trapped in their head. They're very shocked, but they have crossed boundaries many a times. And you're not into any type of manipulation anymore. You've cut them off, and now they feel small. Now they feel like the sun has literally left their life, and they know that you are no longer open to whatever they had on offer. They viewed you like family, but they didn't treat you like family. And they're finding it very uncomfortable to move forward. And these people, whoever they are very shocked. But I don't know why they're shocked, because if they've been disrespecting you, then obviously at some point you're going to put your foot down. Many people are shocked that you are in love. Some of you are in love. And it could be with someone at work for some of you, or some of you are getting into a new relationship, or you are in a new relationship with after you had a divorce for some of you. For others of you, people feel like you are in love and you don't care about any type of boundaries. You're not waiting for love. And possibly the person you're in love with is someone that could be in the public eye, and someone that is very well sought after. So people are shocked that you chose this partner. People are shocked that you are in love, because maybe you come up like the King of Swords. But